Good afternoon, kids. So let's do different types of sums of factorization. So I'm explaining few sums which the whole exercise is about, that is 14.2. Okay, so let's take one example. For example, one, say it is given factorize the following, or it can be obtain the factors or find the factors, whatever the question. The method what you have to do is, for example, it is given z square. See over here, the sum is given z square minus 4z minus 12. Children, what you need to do, the last number which you can see, that is minus 12. So in short, the number is 12. So you have to find factors, means which table, two tables, means two numbers you multiply, you get 12. That is, you need to find the factors. Now 12, you can take 12 ones are 12. You can take 2 6 are 12. You can take 3 4s are 12. Correct? There are many options. Now, which option to select? That is the main part over here, children. You have to see the middle number. Over here in middle, it is given minus 4. Means you have to say, you have to take such factors. When you multiply, you should get the answer 12. But when you add or subtract, you should get the answer 4. And remember, not only 4, you have to see the sign also. You need the answer minus 4. Now if you take 12 ones are, means the two factors are 12 and 1. 12 and 1 if you add, you will get 13. 12 and 1 if you minus, you will get 11. So this will not do. What we want, the answer is 4, and that too minus 4. Now let's try out 3 4s are 12. 3 and 4 if you add, you will get 7. If you subtract, you will get 1. So even this will not work. Now let's try out 6 2s are 12. Now 6 and 2. 6 and 2 if you add, you will get 8. 6 and 2 if you subtract, you will get 4. Correct? So this is the factor which we should select. You have to think this way. Multiplying, you should get the last number, and that number, the factors, either adding or subtracting, you should get the middle term, that is minus 4. Now you want the sign minus, children. So 6 and 2 are the factors. 6 minus 2, you will get the answer 4. But if you want the minus sign, you put the 6, the greater number, you give the sign subtraction. And the smaller number, you give the sign addition. So how you will write? You will write z square. First, you will just copy z square as it is given. You will write minus 6z plus 2z. So 6 2 is 12, correct? And minus 6 plus 2. The answer, if you solve, you will get minus 4. So are you getting how you did the breakup? And then copy minus 12. Once you get the factors, then as you did in the 14.1 exercise, find the common ones. Take the first two, find the common ones. So z square minus 6z. The common is z is common. Z minus 6 will be in bracket, plus 2 will be common. Z minus 6 will be in bracket. That common one you write as single common, z minus 6, and the other is which is remaining outside, that is z and plus 2. Make it another bracket. So children, this is called find factors, factorize, whatever you say. This is the way. If sums are given, you have to solve this way. Clear? Now let's try one more sum. For example, see the down one. Little difference over here it is there. In the first sum, the starting term which was given, there was no number over there. Correct? But in the second example, that is 3m square plus 9m plus 6, there is a bit difference. In the starting also there is a number. Then children, what you need to do is first remove the common factors. Because look, how you will understand whether you have to remove common factors or not. The last term is 6. 6, either it can go 6 ones are 6 or 2 3s are. Now either you take 6 and 1 or you take 2 and 3, plus or minus, you will not get 9 as the answer. Correct? So in short, there is something we need to do. So what you will do, see in the sum you can see 3 in numbers. If you see 3 is there, 9 is there, and 6 is there. All this 3 goes in 3's table. So let's take 3 as common, and the uncommon will be inside. Now that inside one, children, the inside one, what you get, you will find the factors as I said above. Now for example, what is the thing now in your mind? 3, so you will just go on passing by down, but what you need to do factorization is of m square plus 3m plus 2, means you have to find the multiples of 2 such a way addition and subtraction you get 3. So you can take 2 ones are 2 plus 1 is 3, correct, and here all signs are 3 only, additions only, so no need of thinking of signs at all, correct. So you will write plus 1m plus 2m, either you specify 1 or you don't write, meaning is same, okay, and then take out common. So this is the way the whole exercise is about 14.2. We continue tomorrow. Till then, try to practice these both examples. Bye kids.